Hi guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new, my name is Ashley and I'm so excited to have you today. Today I'm showing you our homeschool morning routine, and you'll see it's not that much different from like our summer morning routine, and that's kind of one of the perks about homeschool is we're not on a time frame or on somebody else's time, and that's one of the perks and one of the reasons we decided to homeschool. And so I try not to rush it. I don't have a set time we homeschool. I just let us sleep as long as our bodies need to sleep, and then we wake up and start our day and our routine. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this. Leave me any questions down below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So the very first thing I do before I even open my eyes is I lay in bed and I pray for all the things I'm grateful for in the morning. And then I get out my phone and I get onto my devotional Bible app. And I'll leave that link down below if you guys want to check that out. But I'm always reading devotionals. And so I'll read a short one and then I'll put my phone back down and I say another prayer, something to do with the devotional or what I'm needing to happen that day or just for strength. And then when I'm finished praying is right around the time Savannah wakes up and comes in, and Tiger comes with her most days, and we snuggle. I see how she sleeps, and we just do our morning cuddles. Once we get out of bed, I like to head straight into the living room, and I always open up my curtains. I feel like it just helps kind of wake me up and gets me motivated for the day. Then I head on into my dining room to open up those curtains, and I also let Tiger out in the morning so he can go potty. I do like to run my dishwasher at night, and so anything that doesn't fit in the dishwasher, I just hand wash and leave out to dry. So I had hand washed, all of these items, so I'm just gonna put them away real quickly. Now it is breakfast time. I'm not a huge breakfast eater. Savannah likes to eat when we first wake up. Sometimes I buy these like mini blueberry muffins from Walmart. If you guys have one near you, check them out. They're so good. And so we're just gonna both sit down and have a few with a bottle of water. Once I'm finished eating, and I'm always the first one no matter what meal, I just must be a fast eater, I always clean up my mess, and then I'm going to wash my hands and go ahead and start unloading the dishwasher. I've learned if I do this first thing in the morning, then when we have dirty dishes throughout the day, I have a place to put them, versus when I don't do it, then they just pile high in the sink and it just creates a mess. So I don't absolutely love unloading the dishwasher in the morning, but if I don't do it at night, then this is the next best option for us. When Savannah finished eating, she knows to clean up her mess, so you can see her pushing in the bar stool, and then she's gonna put away the muffins for us, and she just kind of knows to help out, and it saves me time, and then we have more time to play or just hang out in the mornings. I like to try to keep my mornings very simple. I don't want to have a lot to do, so if that's just like putting the dishes away and just having one other chore. But that's why I try to clean my house all at night, as I just don't like waking up and having a million things to get done, especially because my videos go live in the morning and a lot of the times I'm commenting or replying. So I've just learned to have like one big chore in the morning, and it starts off my day a little bit smoother. So after we're done eating breakfast and cleaning up the kitchen, that's the time Savannah heads into her room to play and just to get some energy out. And this is when I head in and go ahead and get ready for the day, because she is being busy or entertaining herself. And so I'm gonna head into the shower and get ready. And with the wonderful magic of YouTube, voila, I'm dressed, hair, makeup. Man, if I could only do that in real life. Once I'm ready for the day, we like to head outside, and we love to do outside time before starting school. It just gets all that energy out, so when she's in the schoolroom, she's not like antsy and just bottled up energy. And I feel like this just works really, really well for our homeschool routine. And so she gets on her scooter and rides around, and this is the time that I take to answer comments or messages or emails, anything like that, because she's entertained and having fun, and then I get to catch up on work. Then we're gonna head on into the homeschool room, and guys, this is where homeschool begins. I didn't film that part, but if you are on the lookout for next Wednesday's video, I'm gonna do a whole how we homeschool and show you from start to finish, so definitely be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!